Investors can no longer ignore Bitcoin. There is a tectonic shift in the cryptocurrency world, and we need to talk about it. Bitcoin just crossed $120,000 this week. But this rally isn't just about price. There are many reasons for this massive move in Bitcoin. There have been record breaking ETF inflows into cryptocurrencies. In fact, the net cumulative inflows into the US spot Bitcoin ETF has hit $15 billion in July, much higher than what we saw last year. But the real game changer has been the crypto week in the US. Regulatory attention, such as the US government's current push to adopt new crypto legislation, has led large institutional investors to take Bitcoin more seriously. Interestingly, while Bitcoin has always been popular amongst retail investors, the growing adoption of spot Bitcoin ETFs means that many individual investors are opting to invest indirectly into Bitcoin through large institutions as opposed to holding the crypto in their own wallets. Now, this has resulted in institutions and large crypto holders, also known as whales, accounting for a larger percentage of Bitcoin ownership. Bitcoin's meteoric rise has seen Indian investors join the rally as well. Indian exchanges like CoinDCX, CoinSwitch, Mudrex, and ZebPay have seen record net inflows of $150 to $200 million in just the past 7 days. CoinSwitch saw a 22% increase in spot and future trading volumes week on week. Spot volumes alone have grown 145%. Does this mark the beginning of a global cryptocurrency revolution? Let me know what you think.